Unit 7. Let's play boatman. Listening 7. Read and listen.
Do you play games with your friends at school? Where do you play? In the UK, children play games outside in the playground. A traditional playground game is boatman. This is how to play it. One child is the boatman. The others must stand at the side of the playground. They must ask, "Boatman, can we go across the river?" The boatman says, "You can go across the river if you're wearing green." The boatman can choose the colour. If you're wearing green, you can walk across the playground. The boatman can't catch you. If you aren't wearing green, you mustn't walk. You must run really quickly past the boatman. He must try to catch you. If the boatman catches you, you must stay beside him in the middle of the playground and help him catch the others. Then the others must ask again, "Boatman, can we go across the river?" Now the boatman must choose a different colour. You can go across the river if you're wearing blue.